Call and you're under the age of 21, correct? Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
On a scorching afternoon in Florida, police spotted a group of young people hanging out near the beach. Among them was an 18-year-old girl, casually holding a cold beer in her hand. What seemed like a harmless moment of youthful fun ended just minutes later with her in handcuffs, on her way to jail. Why did such a small action come with such a heavy price? And how the officer handled this situation, firm yet remarkably respectful, will make you rethink what it truly means to follow the law.
Who else had alcohol? Not you?
I wasn't drinking either.
So just you, you're the only one that had alcohol? Well, that's awfully brave of you.
Yeah, this is it. Thank you so fucking much.
Thank you. Do you have your ID, sir? Your registration and your insurance. Go ahead and step out of the car for me. Do you have like a wrap or a towel or something?
No, I don't.
No?
No.
Okay.
Just put my shirt
Why do I
on.
need to put something on?
Okay.
Does it offend you?
Can I get out?
I just didn't want to make you stand out here in just a bikini. That's why I'm asking. Okay, go ahead and get out of the car for me.
Can I get out, man?
Yes. Stand right in front of that Chevy symbol right there. And you're how old again? Okay. Just do me one favor. Go ahead and stand over by the tire for a second. You said you're 18 years old, correct? And you're in possession of alcohol and you're under the age of 21, correct? Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Short.
You have shorts in that?
Usual adult female 1015, and you sent me a second unit. Do what? She's sending it to you? Okay. You're free to leave if you want to. Okay. Well, take a step back for me, please. Ma'am, can you have a seat on the bumper? I don't want to put you in the ring.
We were only coming under here to get them out of the
What? Take a seat on the bumper. I gave you an opportunity to get dressed. We're going to wait a minute now, okay? Put your butt on the bumper, please. They're going to start gathering their belongings because it's being towed.
Okay. Can I open this?
Sure. What's your first name?
You're gonna open.
Abigail?
Yes.
Abigail, we're going to go stand over by that GMC. My body cam's a lot better than a phone. If you want a copy of it, you're more than welcome to it. So obviously you want to record, so that's what I'm saying. My body cam's a lot better.
I'm good.
You don't want this? Put it on you.
With my hands like that?
I'm gonna unfold you.
Yeah. I don't want it.
You know this could have gone a completely different way. All you had to do is just answer. stand by the tire. You don't want anything else to go with you out to the jail, because you're going to jail. You don't want your phone, you don't want your...
I'd take your phone with you.
Udi!
Unless you know Udi's number.
Udi!
Do you want it with you?
You're going to have to post bond. Can you guys take a step back?
How much is that shit?
$500.
Anybody got $500?
You do.
Do you want your phone or no?
No, I will say some shit.
Do you want your phone or no?
No, I'm good. I don't want to talk to anybody.
So who's it going with? Okay.
I do not want to know.
This is why I asked if you wanted the towel. You don't offend me. I searched. She was just wearing the bikini, so and she just put these clothes on, and I searched them first.
I was wondering if I needed you or if you already did it.
Yep. Yeah. Like I said, we're good.
Do you have my ID still?
I do.
I don't know. I'm recording.
You don't want them recorded? I don't know. Maybe to document a fun time, I'm sure. To them it is, because no one else claimed the beer that you were drinking all by yourself.
The story of this 18-year-old girl reminds us all that sometimes just one small action, one impulsive moment, can come with a heavy price. No matter where you are, the law always stands above everything else. You may think your mistake is minor, but before the law, what matters isn't how big or small it is. It's whether you respect it or not. Yet what's even more remarkable is how the officer handled the situation. Calm, respectful, yet unwavering. It's a true example of professionalism, not only in law enforcement, but in any job, in any part of life. Every choice, every action has its consequence. So stay mindful, know the rules, and respect the boundaries. Because sometimes, a single wrong decision can change your future forever.